So if you already have recording equipment or your own studio where you can get professional sounding results, great. But what if you don't have a studio or recording equipment or computer with an interface or a digital recorder that you can use to record your music with, and say all you have is your iPhone and maybe an iPad? So I'm going to show you today how you can use your mobile device to capture some good quality audio and video. I'm using an iPhone today, but you can definitely use whatever mobile device that you have. There are some great quality cameras and internal audio microphones in the latest devices. So first of all, you're going to need something to hold your mobile device. And right here I have a mobile tripod that's made for mobile devices, and it has a phone holder right here. And it can expand to a certain height. And you just slip your phone in and clip, and that will hold your phone. So for this demonstration, I will use an acoustic guitar and sing and record myself using this iPhone. Now I will put it on, this is the selfie mode on this. So I'll put the phone in front of me. I would recommend keeping your mobile device about an arm's length away, about 2 feet away, because you don't want the onboard microphone to be too far away from your source, your voice, because you'll start hearing the ambience of the room. Here, let me give you a demonstration of how, if I was to keep it far over here, and right, so if you listen, you can hear more of the ambience of the room. You can hear the sound reflecting, especially in my room, my place here. There's hard walls, not much absorption. I don't even have drapes. So you have all sorts of reflection bouncing off the walls and everywhere. So you'll hear more echo in the room. So I'm going to place a little something in this setting. Worship you, all my soul rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. All right, now let's do the same thing, and let's bring the phone at that arm's length. So yes, it's a tighter shot, and you can see less of the guitar, but it will be better for the sound. So let's do this again. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. All my soul rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. So if you notice, you can really hear the vocals more direct than when it was farther away. Yeah, so. Now if you want to get that microphone more close for a more clear and crisp sound, and you have two devices, so I have the iPhone here, and then I have the iPad here, or an SLR or another camera that you want to use. You can use the mobile device as an audio recorder, so we can bring it in closer and then record your video on a separate camera. So I'll show you how we do that. So what I have here is the Shure MV88, a professional recording microphone. This would be great if you had this, but the only problem with this is that it costs around $200. But the good thing about this is that it comes with an app called the ShurePlus MOTIV And that app alone is free to use, which is a plus for us because even if we don't have that microphone, we can use the app. And that's what I'll be showing you today. So the ShurePlus MOTIV high definition recording application on your iOS. You just open that, the MOTIV, and you can use this app using any one of these microphones or as is. So if you just press record right here, I have no microphone connected to it, but what I'm doing is I'm using the onboard iPhone microphone. So you have many formats here. Let's just go with Apple lossless. So 16-bit, 44.1 kilohertz is CD quality. So this goes up to 24-bit, 48 kilohertz. So this is the best quality. So then from here you can press record and then it starts recording from your phone's onboard microphone. Now that we're going to use this iPhone as a microphone, I don't need to have it out front of me because I'm not shooting any video. So I'm just going to lay this flat like this. So you don't want the microphone too low because then the microphone will be closer to the guitar, so you'll get more guitar sound. So what you want to do is figure out which sound, my voice or the guitar, do I want more dominant. So for that, the answer is my voice, right? So I would not want it closer to the guitar. I want it closer to my voice. So now it's like I'm using the iPhone like a microphone on a microphone stand, but you don't want it too close because then it'll start getting, your voice will be too isolated and it'll be too close and you might get some distortion. So you want it further away. Now I would say about 1 foot away from you. Let's put it right here. So let's hear how that sounds. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. All my soul rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. Now, let's put that microphone back down and then kind of facing it up towards my voice. And then let's see how that sounds. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. All my soul rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. So how did that sound? Which one was better? Okay, so when you're done with the recording, you can change the name and save into your library. So now we have the file saved on the app, but now we have to convert that recording into a usable sound file. So now that's what we're going to do. So if you'll click on the Save As at the bottom of the screen there, and then Share, and then Save to Camera Roll. And then it's going to ask you to add an artwork, so you can either choose from your library or the motif graphic or no image at all. And I'm just going to use the motif graphic. And then from there it will convert and save to your camera roll. Once that's done, it will say Save to Camera Roll Successful. Press OK. And then you can find the audio file with the graphic artwork that you chose in your camera roll. So now you have your two files, your audio file in your camera roll, and then your video file that you recorded on your other mobile device or SLR. So what you can do from here, if you choose to, is put those two files, the video and the audio file, and sync them together in a editing software. Then you can turn down the audio of your video file or tweak the balance between the two audio sources, or you can just completely turn off the video audio and just have your one audio source. Whatever gives a better balance and quality of sound. Now you may see another app called the ShurePlus MOTIV for video. You may get better results with your phone camera than that app. This is due to the microphone direction that it's capturing from. With the camera on your phone, it captures directly in front of you, but with the app, it captures from the side. You won't have good sound quality unless you have one of those microphones connected to it. So here I'm filming from the ShurePlus MOTIV for video, but as you can tell, it's not getting as direct a sound. It's coming from the side of the camera, and unless you have that one of their mics to capture that and angle it towards you, you're not going to get a great of a sound as compared to your onboard camera.